Manila, the capital of the Philippines, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. Located on the eastern shore of Manila Bay, this vibrant city has a rich heritage that reflects its past. The city of Manila boasts a rich history and cultural heritage, with attractions such as Intramuros, Rizal Park, and Manila Cathedral showcasing its colonial past. Drone views allow travelers to truly appreciate the grandeur and architectural beauty of these iconic sites from above. Tourism plays an important role in Manila's economy. Travelers from all over the world come here to experience the city's unique charm. From exploring local markets such as Divisoria and Quiapo to savoring delicious Filipino cuisine at street food stalls or upscale restaurants, there is something for everyone. For nature lovers, Manila has several parks and green spaces where you can enjoy leisurely strolls or picnics amidst the lush vegetation. Rizal Park is especially popular among locals and tourists due to its historical significance and the fact that it is an oasis in a bustling city. When planning a trip to Manila, it is important to note that traffic congestion can sometimes be quite problematic. However, public transportation options such as buses and trains are available to get around the city conveniently. In conclusion, Manila is a fascinating city that combines rich history and modernity. Its breathtaking scenery, thriving tourism industry, cultural experiences, and delectable cuisine make it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience in Southeast Asia.